In this video, I'll show you how to fold down the rear seats of your Corolla 2014 to 2019 to have more space over here. So the first thing you need to do is to bring this front seats forward so we have more space back here. And then you're going to notice you have two levers, one here and the other one over there. And all you have to do is to pull it up until you see the red color. Once you see the red color and keep it up like this, you're simply going to bring the bench down like that. Okay, so this one is folded. Now there is some seat belts in the way, just need to bring them on the side like that. Okay, so now there's nothing in the way, and to do the same thing on the other side, you're gonna pull up this lever, you see the red, and then you're gonna bring this down like that. So then you have a lot of space to put a TV or even some really big boxes in the back of your Toyota Corolla. Make sure, as I said, the front seats are forward so you have more space to work in here. And yeah, if you want to put them back in place, very easy. All you have to do is to bring back the seats this way, make sure that the seat belts are not in the way, and then you're going to click it in place by giving it a good tap. And when you do not see the red part of the lever, it simply means that it's locked in place. Do the same thing on the other side, make sure everything is secure, and now you're good to go. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.